Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more over the internet. The cloud to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. How does cloud computing work? Cloud computing providers host the hardware and software applications in the cloud. They make these resources available to customers on demand over the internet. Customers only pay for the resources they use, which can save them money on IT costs. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers a number of benefits including agility. Cloud computing can help businesses be more agile by making it easier to scale resources up or down as needed. Scalability. Cloud computing can help businesses of all sizes scale their IT resources up or down as needed. Cost saving. Cloud computing can help businesses save money on IT costs by eliminating the need to purchase and maintain their own hardware and software. Reliability. Cloud computing providers offer high levels of reliability and uptime. Security. Cloud computing providers offer a variety of security features to protect customer data. Types of cloud computing. There are three main types of cloud computing. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS provides businesses with access to computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking. Platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS provides businesses with a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications. Software as a service, SaaS. SaaS provides businesses with access to software applications over the internet. Examples of cloud computing. Some popular examples of cloud computing services include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, IBM Cloud Platform, Oracle Cloud Platform. Conclusion. Cloud computing is a powerful technology that can help businesses of all sizes save money, improve efficiency, and be more agile. If you are not already using cloud computing, it's time to consider it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.